So this is the 24th question of UKMT exam for Senior Mathematical Challenge for year 2023. The question says a square has vertices on the edges of a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon and a square has vertices on the edges of it. Two of the edges of the square are parallel to the two edges of hexagon. So over here this edge and this edge of the square is parallel to this edge and this edge of the hexagon as shown in the diagram. The sides of hexagon have length 1. So side of hexagon is 1. What is the length of the side of the square? So what I have done is I have enlarged the figure here. So the side of the hexagon is 1. So what I am going to do first of all is, in a hexagon, each interior angle is how much? 120 degree. So here if I draw this right angle triangle, this part should be 60 degree. Let this much part be P and this much part, let that be Q. Okay, and let the length of the square be 2x. So this much part is x, this much part is x for the square. Now from here I can say that if I have in this right angle triangle of P and x, I can say x is equal to P sine 60 degree. This is P sine 60 degree is x and sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So this is P into root 3 by 2. So I can say P is equal to 2x by root 3. P is equal to 2x by root 3. Now here in this right angle triangle, if I make a smaller one here, similar to this, I can create this right angle triangle. By symmetry, if this is Q, this part also be Q. Okay, and this is 60 degree because here it is 60 degree and this line and this is parallel. So here also it is 60, here it is also 60. So this much part will be Q cos 60 degree. This much part. Similarly, this part will be Q cos 60 degree. And the in between part is nothing but the length of this hexagon, which is 1. So this entire length, which is 2x, because square is of length 2x. 2x will be equal to what? Q cos 60 plus 1 plus Q cos 60. So 2 times Q cos 60 degree plus 1. Okay. So over here, this 2 goes, this becomes 1 by 2. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. So x is equal to Q into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 or Q plus 1 whole by 2. That is x. So Q will be how much? Q will be, this is 2x minus 1. So Q is 2x minus 1. P is 2x by root 3. We know P plus Q is the length of this hexagon, which is 1. So P plus Q is 1. So putting in the values, we need to find the side of the square, which is what? 2x. We need to find 2x. So and P plus Q is 1. So P is what? 2x by root 3. Q is what? 2x minus 1. That is equal to 1. That is P plus Q. So from here, if I take root 3 common, like denominator as root 3, so this becomes root 3 times this, and this root 3 goes here, and this is 1 into root 3 is root 3. So I'll get 2x plus 2x root 3 minus root 3 equal to root 3, that is equal to 2 root 3. I'll take 2x common, and this is root 3 plus 1, that is 2 root 3. Yeah, it is 2x root 3, yeah. So from here I get 2x is equal to 2 root 3 by root 3 plus 1, which is what we have to find, 2x. So it is 2 root 3 by root 3 plus 1. I don't see any option like that. So I will factorize it. 2 root 3 upon root 3 plus 1. This will be root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1. So in the denominator it will be 3 minus 1, which is 2. So this 2 goes away. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 minus root 3 is the answer then, factorizing it. 3 minus root 3, answer option B is the right answer here. Okay.